Okay, so my dear students of class 8, here we are going to solve practice set 11.3. In the first question, if you see, first sum is given to you. In that sum, information is given to you about the number of students securing A grade in standard 8, division A, division B and division C and division D. Now total number of students are also given to you. So here this information is provided in each division, how many total students are there and how many students secure A grade. So such kind of information is provided to you, and they ask you to draw a percentage bar graph or to show this information by drawing the percentage bar graph. That kind of question is given to you. Now as we know that we have to find the percentage of the students securing A grade in each division. So that would be our first step. So let's go to the solution and try to find the percentage of each of the students. Okay. Here we go. In solution, percentage of students in division A. First step, here we are going to see first step over here. That in solution, percentage of number of students in division A securing A grade. So in table we can see that out of 60 students, there are 45 students who secure A grade. So ratio of the number of students securing A grade to the total number, we get 45 upon 60. That ratio. Now to divide that ratio, not divide, sorry, multiplied by that ratio by 100. By multiplying 100, what process we can go here? We just cancel the 0 of the 100, which is the numerator, and 60, which is the denominator. Now 6 and 45, but 60, 6 and 45 are in the table of 3. So multiples of 3, as they are multiple of 3, we can divide it 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So we get 15 over here. Now 2 and 10. 2 1s are 2 again. And 10 would be cut, and we can write down here 5 because 2 5s are 10. Now for calculation we get 15 into 5. What will be the answer of 15 into 5? 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, and 15 5s are 75. So 75% students in division A secured A grade. Any question? Hello, hello. Any question? Any queries? This is
No,
your first.
sir.
Next student of the division B. Total students, 55 students are there out of 33 students got secured A grade. So 33 upon 55. Number of students securing A grade upon the number of total students. So 33 upon 55. Now these two numbers are in the table of 11. 11 3s are 33. 11 5s are 55. Now 5 and 100. You can divide them. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 0 0. So 20 into 3. This calculation makes number 60. So 60% students in division B secured A grade. Next, about part C. In part C we see 40 students are there. Total number of students 40. Out of 10 students only got A grade. So 10 upon 40 into 100. What that ratio we get? 10 upon 40. Then multiply by 100 we get percentage. So first of all, we cancel the 0 of 140. Now 4 and 10, multiple of 2. 4 twos are, sorry, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. So we get 5. Again 2 and 10. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 5 into 5. So how many students are there percentage wise? 25% students in division C secured A grade. Now what about division D? Total number of students are 75, out of only 15 students secured A grade. So we get the ratio 15 upon 75 and then multiplied it by 100, we get percentage. So 15 and 75 are the 75 and 100. These are the numbers which are multiple of 25. 25, these are 75. So here we get cut to 75 and that 3. But here 4s are 100. So we cut the 100 and write down 4. Now 3 and 15. 3 and 15. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. So for calculation we get the numbers 5 into 4. Answers are 20. So 20% students secure A grade. So here we found the number, means percentage of the students who got secured or got A grade. 25, 60, 25, 20. For the division A, B, C, D respectively. Now here, now we have to draw the bar graph by using this information. For drawing the bar graph, what we take? We take a bar graph paper, then taking 1 centimeter on left and bottom, we draw the x-axis. First of all, we draw x-axis, then y-axis. Okay. Now, what scale we can take here? If the numbers are 100% means 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. That scale on the y-axis we should take. So each bar, taking 1 centimeter distance between consecutive bars, what we can do? We draw each bar of equal height, that is 100 units. 100 units. Each bar should be height of 100 units. So here we draw the graph of 100 units over there. Let's try to draw. So at the height of 100 we can draw the bar of rectangle. Here if you observe, you can use the scale. Here I don't have scale, so my lines would be somewhat not straight. So each bar should be height of 100 units, means 10 centimeter. On the bar of 10 centimeter. So this is the feature of the percentage bar graph, that each bar is of equal height, it is 100 units, 10 centimeter. And we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Okay, so yeah. पूर्ण कळलं का सगळ्यांना? yes sir, no sir, hello. Now
Yes,
we
sir.
just, yes, now we divide these each bar graph, each bar, we divide each bar by its percentage. First percent is 75, 60, 25, 20. So A division, 75 students are there, so 70 or 80, between that we get 70. So 75%. So that is different part. So we can make a design over there or color that part. 60% students of division B secured A grade. So to 60 units height, we divided that bar graph. Bar bar. Next is 25% and then 20%. For C, 25% students are there. 20 and 30, between that numbers, that middle party will be 25. So 25%. At the height of 25, we divide the bar. Next is 20% only. So 20% we can easily get 2 centimeters. Okay. So now here we divide the bar. So this is divided bar graph. Okay, but as it size is 100 units, so it is a percentage bar graph. Now color coding. So design we make for the number of students secure A grade. That should be written. And empty space other students. Empty space other students. Now these are the divisions. So we wrote down the divisions name A, B, C, D. On x-axis we wrote the name of the division. On y-axis we wrote the percentage of the two dots. So thus here we complete the bar graph. Do you have any question? Hello, my dear students, online students and offline students also. Okay. I can Okay, so I will send you this photograph, or you just watch this video again and taking the graph paper. You should also solve this question on your graph book. Next question we are going to solve. Question number 2. Observe the following graph and answer the following question. Okay. Now, observe the graph. What kind of graph is this? Yes, Ashwin, can you tell what kind of graph is it? So it is percentage bar graph. First answer is there. Percentage bar graph. This is percentage bar. Second, how much? So here we can write down the answer as given in the at the bottom. The given graph is a percentage bar graph. So at the bottom, the answers are provided to you. So in exam also we can write down, if there are empty spaces, then you can write down only words, percentage bar graph. So it is a percentage bar graph. Second, how much percent of tour production? So if you observe the graph and color coding, the blue color is for the production of tur dal, and production of gram. Okay. So these two informations are provided to you. So how much percent is the tur production to total production of Ajita's farm? So where is Ajita's farm? Here we see first bar is for Ajita's farm, and 60, up to this number 60, we get the color coding, blue color for the production of tur. So 60%, what we can answer here? 60%. So in wording we can write down that the percentage of tur production to the total production in Ajita's farm is 60%. Answers are also provided at the bottom of your screen. Third question, compare the production of gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi and state whose percentage of production is more and by how much. Now look, Yash, what is the production of gram, percentage of gram in Yash farm? Can anyone tell? So 50%. What about the Ravi? Yes.
70%.
70% is silly mistake. Silly mistake. Silly mistake. Silly mistake. Here you ask production of gram and you are telling me production of tooth. Percentage of production of tooth. Yes, Ashwin, 30%. So online students may be sleepy students, lazy students, I think. So how much difference is there between these two? So whose production is more? Yash production or Ravi's? Okay. So Yash percentage of the production of tour is more, and by how much? By 20. So Yash apostrophe S. Hmm? That is also given to you here. Production of gram in the form of Yash is 50% and production of gram in form of Ravi is 30%. So difference between that is 20%. So we can say that Yash's production of gram is more, and by how much percent? 20%. 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. So 20% more production of gram in the Yash farm. Fourth question, whose production of tur is least? Least means minimum. सर्वात कमी. Whose percentage of tur is minimum? Whose percentage of tur is minimum? So here we observe the height of the colored part of the bar. 60, 50, Ravi 70 and Sudha 40%. So here we can write down Sudha's percentage of production is least. So the Sudha's percentage of production of tur is least. Any question, Rugved? Hello. Rugved Pawar.
No, sir.
Just give me the answer of fifth question, Rugved Pawar. State production of percentage of tur and gram in Sudha's farm. Rugved Pawar, state production percentage of tur and gram in Sudha's farm. Yes, Rugved?
40%.
40% tur or gram?
No, sir. 60%.
What 60% tur or gram?
60%. 60% gram आणि 40% तूर.
So percentage of tur is 40%. We see color part is 40%, and remaining means 60% of production of percentage of production of gram in Sudha's farm. So here we get 40% color part and 60% uncolored part, which is the production of gram, percentage of production of gram. So here all the answers are provided to you. Production percentage of tur and gram in Sudha's farm 40% and 60% respectively. So tur is 40% and gram is 60%. So you can write down separate lines also. Production of percentage of tur is 40% and production percentage of gram is 60%. Two lines we can be make. Here when in one line answer is given and word respectively is given to you. So first is tur, first number 40 means 40% of tur. Second is gram, so second number is 60, so 60% is percentage of production of gram. Any question, any queries? Hello, yes sir, no sir? Hello, do you have any question? Yes sir, no sir? Hello, online students. Do you have any doubt regarding this? Okay, so we have to observe the paragraph carefully and then answer. Otherwise, as the Sharwari has make silly mistake, we also do the silly mistakes in the exam and wrong information provided in the answer, and then we will lose the mark. So don't do that. Observe the graph carefully and just think before you write your answer. Question number 3 is there. Again, this is the question of drawing the percentage paragraph of the data. So here, what information is provided to us? We just observe that information and then get the idea about that. First column, first row is about school. First, second, third, and fourth. Hmm? Survey of the some students of 10th standard in some school. First school, second school, third school, and fourth school. Draw the percentage bar graph. Inclination towards the science stream. Inclination in Marathi we can say kal, ruchi. Okay, सायन्स स्ट्रीम मध्ये ज्यांना रुची आहे, कल आहे असे स्टुडंट. इन्क्लिनेशन टुवर्ड्स द कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम. कॉमर्स म्हणजे व्यवहार जे ज्यांना म्हणतो आपण त्याला. कॉमर्स वाणिज्य क्षेत्र जे आहे ते वाणिज्य क्षेत्राकडे ज्यांचा कल आहे ते आहेत, ते पण स्टुडंट आपल्याला दिलेले आहेत. नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स आहे, हे पर्सेंटेज नाही आहे. इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला दिली. त्यानंतर काय सांगितलं आहे, ड्रॉ द पर्सेंटेज बार ग्राफ ऑफ द डेटा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हॅव टू मेक द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. कारण आपला रेशो काय असतो लक्षात घ्या, नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. काही अट टाकलेली असते, कंडिशन टाकलेली असते, ते तर नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स आणि अपॉन द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स असा आपला रेशो आपण काढतो आधी आणि नंतर मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 100 करतो आपण. सो दॅट रेशो, फॉर दॅट रेशो वी हॅव टू find the total number of students in school first, second, third, and fourth, which has the decided how which stream they are going to take. So here we just take the total number of students. दाखवून टाकलं का हे? So total number of students आपण जर बघितले तर 150 दिसते आपल्याला, तर 150 दिसतं आपल्याला. So we calculate these numbers again. Your answers are provided, but we should solve it again. As we are doing in the exam. Give me a couple of minutes to take the table on the. So here we can make the, again we answer also, we just draw the table that they are given to you. Okay, draw same table, but we need one more row below the given table. Okay, so So here we got this table. Here table is take yes sir, no sir, hello.
Yes, sir.
Sitting up there. चला मग या टेबलवरून आपण आता ऑब्झर्वेशन करूया आपलं. आपल्याला थर्ड कॉलम इथे करायला लागेल. थर्ड कॉलम नाही, रो करायला लागेल आपल्याला. थर्ड रो हिअर which shows the total number of students applying which had inclination towards the science stream and commerce. So here we draw the third row for that. Third row आपण घेतलेली आहे इथे. इथे आपण टोटल लिहूया. टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स इन ईच डिव्हिजन. एक डिव्हिजनमध्ये किती स्टुडंट आहेत त्याची आपण आता टोटल लिहूया. 90 plus 60, how much is 160 people. Two students are there. Then two students are there. The last one. Now here we just in the percentage of the each student. So in the same column we can write down the percentage of the same students for here. काढू शकता. कलम वापरायचा. रेशो लिहायचा आहे आणि नंतर मग आपल्याला multiplied by 100. Ratio is multiplied by 100. आहे. एका कोणाचं आपण काढू शकतो. एकाचं पर्सेंटेज काढलं तरी इतर दोन नंबर दुसरा नंबर आहे तो आपण 29 दाखवू शकतो. वी टेक हिअर द inclination towards science. आपण करूया. Fourth row, percentage of students that has inclination. All the words are you are in your book. Question मध्ये ते शब्द दिलेले आहेत. वर्ड्स सायन्स. सायन्सकडे यांचा ओढा आहे. इंक्लिनेशन म्हणजे ओढा किंवा कल किंवा रुची. दहावीनंतर कुठे जाणार विचारलं आपण त्यांना तर स्टुडंट्स म्हणालेत ते स्टुडंट म्हणलेत की आम्ही सायन्स घेणार आहे. सायन्स साईडला जाणार आहे. सायन्स स्ट्रीममध्ये आपण जाणार आहोत असं त्यांनी सांगितले. असे स्टुडंट्स पर्सेंटेज बघूया आपण. हॅलो. फॉर ए डिव्हिजन वी हॅव रेशो ऑफ दॅट 90 upon 150. 90 students, inclination towards the science stream, total students 150. नाही कळलं. हॅलो 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 हॅलो. समजते का नाही समजते. हॅलो अश्विन. अश्विनला समजत नाहीये त्यामुळे तो तोंड बंद यायचं. काय झोपली आजारी आहेस. So here we take the ratio of that student. Science ला जाणारे स्टुडंट आहेत त्यांचा फक्त रेशो आपण लिहिला. Both school 16 upon 40. And that multiplied by 100 we get the percentage. गुणिले 100 केले की आपल्याला पर्सेंटेज मिळते हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे. कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करूया. चला कॅल्क्युलेशन करूया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल झिरो कॅन्सल करूया आपण. 9 and 15 are in table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 are 100. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 is 0. So here we get answer 20% of the students wants to join science. 29 are sorry. So 20 into 3. 20 into 3 is 60% of the students. By mistake I have done. Don't do this mistake in the exam. Next is there 0 cut. 80 and 60. Now 0 will be cut. Now 8 and 6 are in the table of 2. 2. 3 are 6. 2. 4s are 8. And 4 are 100. As we know that 25 4s are 100. So we get 25. 4 1s are 4. So here for calculation which numbers we got? 3 into 25. Obviously we got answer 75%. In division, not division, school 2 wants to join the science team. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 0 0. So 15 to 1. What numbers we got? 50 into 1. So here 50%. By orally also we can get 25 students out of 50. म्हणजे हाफ झाले ना, हाफ म्हणजे 50%. Okay. Cancel the zeros of 100 and 40. 4 and 16 has relation. 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 16. So 4 into 10. Calculation wise we go. We get 4 into 10. 4 tens are, yes Rudra, 4 tens are 40% students wants to join science stream. So this is the table which we want to then draw. We need to draw. Any question? Now using this information of the percentage of the students who wants to join the science stream after 10th, okay, you can draw the bar graph. This is the bar graph. So scale okay, now you can see that as we know that we draw the x-axis on the graph paper, we draw the x-axis horizontal in leaving 2 centimeter. You can draw the y-axis vertical by crossing the intersection point is point O, origin O for origin. Now on y-axis we should take the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. So as this is percentage graph, the height of the each bar should be 100 units. So on y-axis we take the numbers or table of 10. 1% is equal to 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. That number, what number that those numbers indicate? The percentage of number of students. That should be also written. Okay, now we draw the graph. Each graph should be 100 height. So as we look here, each graph has equal heights of 100 units. Now we divide this graph into the percentage. Okay. Now in first school, 60% student wants to join the science. So 60% mark that 60% and color those parts. Color or just make design. 75 students of the second school. Now 80 and 670. Middle part is 75. We know that in bar graph we got that 5 millimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So here we get the 7 centimeter and 5 millimeter means 75%. For third school we see here we obtain 50% students and fourth school 40%. 50% third part is divided into two parts. One part is to be 50 and 40% means fourth part is divided as 40 and 60. Okay, 60, 75, 50 and 40. So these are the comparative heights of the bar of first school, second school, third school and fourth. Any question regarding this part? Yes sir, no sir, hello, hello, hello.
No, sir.
Now scale, color coding. You should write down the color coding here. These are already colored, so I just take that. Now color coding, the third part is the percentage of the inclination towards percentage of the students inclination towards science stream, and in P part is second part, second type of student which go to the which say that they have inclination towards the commerce. This color coding is also important. फक्त स्केल घेऊन उपयोग नाही आहे, कलर कोडिंग पण सांगायचं आहे. ते सांगितलं तर अर्धावर आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवा. यू डोंट थिंक द हाफ मार्क. This is the figure, the bar graph. प्रत्येक बारला आपण फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ हे नंबर दिलेले आहेत आणि ते स्कूल लिहिलेले स्कूल म्हणजे काय तर स्कूल और number of students and this is the number of students from Y. Any question? Yes sir, no sir, hello. Yes, students, I hope that you got a right idea how to draw the bar graph. Percentage bar graph by this.
सर खूप आवाज येत आहे तुमच्या इकडं ऐकू नाही येत आहे मला.
So by using the given information, what are the steps we have taken? Just we revise the step over here. Columns are given to you and two rows are given to you. Now total number of students are not given, so we have to make a row which show the total number of students. So we take one ratio only to find the percentage of the inclinations towards the science stream. So we take only that number 90 upon 150, 50 upon 50. For third school 25 upon 50 and fourth school 60 upon 40. Then multiplied each ratio by 100. We get the percentage of the students that have inclination towards that. The one part, height of the one part is obtained by us 50, 25, 50, 40. As this is percentage bar graph, each bar has equal height of 100 units. So by taking graph paper, horizontal line is the x-axis, vertical line is the y-axis. On y-axis, we take the scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 10% and write down the numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And giving each distance to equal, distance between two consecutive bars is equal. So giving equal distance, we draw the bar of our first student, First school, second school, third school and fourth school, each bar has equal heights of 100 units. Now we can divide this by taking the percentage which we have taken by calculation, 60, 75, 50 and 40. According to that, we take, divide the first bar at 60 and 40. Second bar at 79, 25. Third bar 50 and 50. Fourth bar 40 and 50. Another part is of color coding are also written over here. We should write down the color coding, show the color coding. Color part is inclination towards the steam and empty part. One color part is inclination towards the former. Draw a bar graph. I hope that you like this video. Like this information, you got the idea how to draw the bar graph. How to draw the question. Answers of the question. The bar graph is given to you. And information is asked. As is given in second question. That kind of question. So, solve by observing the bar graph and some calculation. And answer those questions. Break. I hope that you like this video, watch this video again to get the exact idea and clear your doubts. Share this video to all your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel of Guru Rupa classes to get the videos for your study. So, bye. See you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.